So we start off today's video with someone who has long ginger colored hair, and bam, she decided to switch it up with this bob haircut. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more unbelievable hair transformations. So we see someone, she started off with very long hair. Stylist kind of cut the hair into a bob, and now he's going in and chopping the hair even shorter. Wow, what a dramatic transformation. She ends up getting this really fresh and trendy pixie style. And I really like the spiky texture on this. Wow, she looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured in today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with blonde mid-length hair. And it looks like she cut just a little bit off and got a color refresh. I love her makeup. Very nice. And then we see someone once again with blonde mid-length hair. She gets a color refresh with this one. And bam, beautiful bob. I love the tassel texture, and she did give a little bit of that ash blonde for the style. And this is definitely one of the hottest trends that we are seeing in 2023. Ash blonde colored hair. Next up, we see someone else with mid-length hair. She does have the highlights going in here. She switches it up with this carefree shoulder-length lob haircut. Color still looks absolutely amazing. Then we move into another big chop transformation with this tousled bob style. Now this is a great way to add some volume to your hair. Very pretty PC bob haircuts. Definitely a lot of texture with that one. And then we see someone with very long waist-length hair. Bam! Beautiful asymmetrical pixie. Wow, her hair was so long. Stylist holds up that beautiful ponytail. And there we have a better look at that pixie. I love the dramatic angle on that. Very cool. So I'm guessing that that is her mom there that she's standing with. We're going to see her transformation a little bit later in today's video. So here we have this really pretty rocker chic style. Look at the purple, the spiky texture. little bit of like a layered shoulder length bob cut or layered bob. Very cute. Wow. So now we're gonna check out Mom's transformation. Or it could be her friend, I'm not really sure. But bam! Beautiful mushroom pixie style. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all of the hair transformations featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will, of course, see you in the next one.